Where are you, Lewis?
I'm done. I'm at the bottom of that rock. I want to show you how to get up.
This rock. All right, so we're at the end of the trail, the Murphy Trail.
Wow. Let me show you
Yeah,
how
buddy.
to get up.
All right, bring it on.
So you step on that. Walk up. Over here.
Gotcha. Nice. Pretty cool place.
Actually, man.
Got this raven checking us out. Actually, he's just enjoying the breeze.
I don't like doing that. Okay, never go down on this side though.
Deal.
Because it's not equal, so you could roll. Boom, you're right off that.
Don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Man, this place is cool.